center of the peninsula. And earlier, we're at the tail end of the peninsula, which is the tail of the boat. In the old time, people recognize these two spots in Chongqing. One is the statue, and the other one is the point that we were at earlier. Just telling the story makes me cry. So when they got the victory against the Japanese, they established this statue. So its original name is to celebrating the anti-Japanese war. And at that time, it was so important. It has a very significant meaning and historical meaning to the people in Chongqing. And at that time, this is actually the highest point. Right now, if you looked at this is not that significant in terms of the architect, but in the old time, this is the highest point.
I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to push and shove. I wanted to say something. I wanted to tell them like, yo, you need to back up. You need to but I remind myself, this is not my country. I gotta show the people some respect. Okay guys, I just wanted to kind of provide a little bit of context for what I'm complaining about. One thing I noticed about Chongqing, there's no such thing as personal space. It's such a crowded area that everyone just kind of learns to live with the invasion of what we would consider our personal bubble. While we're in this square, we noticed that there were some dancers, and I was one of the first people up front to kind of get some video. But then as the crowd started gathering, people are pushing and shoving and moving closer and closer and closer to the performers. Eventually, I got lost in the crowd and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna deal with this. If it was in America, you know, a lot of people would be like, hey, back up, like get out of my way, I'm trying to do, but nobody was argumentative. They just went in as close as possible. Like if y'all backed up, y'all would get the shot.
That's okay. I know, I thought I was first row, and then now we're like the fifth row.
And when I say close as possible, I mean as close as possible. It may seem selfish, but it really is survival of the fittest. And then the next thing I saw was a girl walking into moving traffic and she's nearly getting hit. Oh! She didn't get hit, so she just kind of went about her way, and the vehicle just went around her and everyone just did their own thing. Yo, I got hit. There was no road rage. That's one thing I noticed about Chongqing, China. There was no such thing as road rage. It's just like, hurry up and go. Let's just go about our way. Don't slow us down. There's so many things to see. There's so many places to eat.
You can't be hungry in Chongqing.
You cannot be hungry. What I find interesting is that there's some vloggers, you know, they talk about some places to eat and stuff like that. But honestly, once you get here, there's just, the options are almost limitless. And you'll always find some place to eat, even if it's just like a street vendor.
At the Foodie Street.
Oh, this is, oh my God, look at this. Yeah. Why are there so many people?
Oh, okay. Chongqing Food Street.
All right, let me get a shot of that. Oh!
The sign of this street, the Food Street.
Uh-huh.
But I think a closer translation would be the Foodie Street.
Yeah. Yeah, I wanted to get a shot of that, but that was God's sign that said, don't cross this. Oh my gosh, why are there so many people? What is this place?
Wait, oh, look at people line up for these. Oh.
Yo, I think I saw this. I just realized I saw this in a vlog.
You seen this?
Yeah, I've seen this.
Again, it's a very difficult choice, very difficult decision to make. We can choose to eat some snacks, or we can find a sit-down place.
I say we choose some snacks.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, that's brain.
But not in. Oh my gosh, this food court is amazing.
It's honestly a little overwhelming. Wow. Okay, you guys get the point. It's a lot of food. We're gonna try to get some food. She's gonna get some chicken feet.
Boneless chicken feet. Hot plate. 猪蹄还好。这个也来试试，有3个不同。
Pan fried potatoes. Oh.
这个是柠檬味。这个是火锅味。
Pan fried, so I'm nothing on this. And of course, I had to get the pan fried dumplings because I like pan fried everything. Oh.
盐。
So I got the pan fried dumplings. My wife got the chicken feet. And this is like sweet potato, hot pot, mala. For the record, this was $2.50 for all of that. I couldn't eat just the dumplings, so I needed some meat too. So I'm gonna, I guess it's like fried pork or fried chicken. It's right here. All right, 谢谢. See?
12块钱是吧？香辣的。
对。This is a marinated pork.
So many foods, so little time.
I know, right? That's life.
What is that?
Bamboo shoot.
Oh. I'm not even sure what sauce this is, but. Not a fan. But this aged pork, aged marinated pork is awesome. We're gonna get some intestine noodle. Thank you, Anne.
Really hard to.
Tastes really fresh. And you gotta try the intestine.
是一个是一个八，这个八是合适的是八十。
The word is la. You know, you order pork, chili pepper. You order chicken, chili pepper. You order vegetables and potato, chili pepper. You order noodles, chili pepper. I order a glass of water, chili pepper. Even
Ice cream,
chili pepper.
Local Chongqing dialect. To say this thing is muy bueno, you say basu.
Basu. Okay, honey, finish that. Hopefully this lady will stop screaming in my ear. Da, 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 da. All the speakers are terrible. They just peak. Oh, sorry. They peak. The ba 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 ba. That's all I hear. Ba 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 ba.
Chongqing people, even eating lettuce leaf, they want to dip in the chili pepper oil.
Lettuce, chili pepper. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, look at all of that. That's the hot pot soup base brick.
Oh, there's another food court on that side.
Yeah.
What? That's where we just were. Oh, this place is huge.
大家也给你打电话，主要是问你在哪是吧？
问我好不好玩？
And that looks like Russian.
还没见到他。
This is spicy, mala, salt, black rice, 5 spices, and the original.
Oh.
Yeah.
都可以品尝的。
都可以品尝。This is what we had earlier.
The honey.
Huh?
I like
Yeah.
the honey. Yeah.
You like what? Which one do you
I
like?
like the honey one.
The honey one? 这一家现做的。Okay.
Just want to tell them to stop making all that noise. Makes me want to walk away from the store.
Can I help you with this? I'll hold this.
Why are you so mad? Why are you so mad?
Okay.
Look at that. Even a little store like this.
Yeah.
But it looks good. 我want to take a look.
五香味的，现做的。来，小朋友，我们中国人切的时候在前面呀，卖的原味。你要4罐，我要4罐，就4个。
Chaotic.
那个人要4罐。
Just insane
一
chaotic.
个4罐，都是一个50块钱。
Screaming and yelling, shouting.
How much do you want?
Just a little bit.
One can. How many?
One.
One. Okay.
来，回头，开头，回头，
哇，
开头，来，要成功，合作一切向前冲，明天长方棍，富3代，要得，所以我想，我现在当不了老板喽，我是老板，我当不了小姐姐出去耍去了，来，开头，
哇，You smell the spiciness?
Yeah.
帅哥小姐姐，你们拍照给我开箱美颜哦，谢谢你们。
Listen, if you are filming them, make sure to open the beauty cream.
要得，给我 P 一下哟。
要得。
好的。对头，来试一下嘛。不可以吃啊？不，现在可以吃，还有一道汤，试一下。对头，谢谢小心扣。哎，来。
This is insane. Look at this guy behind me. Watch. The dude on the bike. Right here. Right here. Right here. Go ahead. Look at him.
I know, right?
No F's given. Look at your fingers all over the food. What happened? What's so funny?
我来，没事，没有了，没事。
Okay, what's so funny? Oh, hold on.
Oh, you want this?
Yeah.
他要吃冰淇淋。
Golly! What world am I in? What the heck? It's madness out here. It's complete madness. All the vendors
没
want
事，
to
让他
Alipay.
走。This literally says stepping stool noodles because they're using the stool for their table.
Stepping stool
Yeah.
noodles. That's hilarious. I don't know, show them what kind of world I just walked through. That's truly crazy. Oh, what is that? Oh, is that chicken? Look like an angry bird. Oh.
Oh. So, remember I told you the city of Chongqing used to be bombed, severely by the Japanese. And this is the bunker that got the entrance of the bunker collapsed. So people who were hiding in there, they all died from suffocating because the entrance was sealed. Yeah, and that's the remaining. Well, there's nothing in there now, but they had a wall to
Commemorate.
Yeah. Sign says, even though the Japanese never invaded into the Chongqing city, but they bombed the city for how long do you know? Take a guess.
A year?
6 years and 10 months. Yeah. And this is the location of the entrance of the bunker that collapsed. 1938 all the way to 1943, this city was bombed by the Japanese for 6 years straight.
Okay, I'm actually kind of glad that we're walking away. I had to put in these ear headphones, not to listen to YouTube videos, but because the sound was too annoying. They're just so loud. And the speakers aren't really high quality, so they kept clipping. So overwhelming. Every street corner we go, there's somebody shouting on the loudspeaker. And there's so much people. Oh. Okay, this is a lot more palatable. Less craziness and noise, and street hawkers can kind of breathe a little bit.